Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Chicken Katsu Sandwich. Chicken Katsu Sandwich or chicken cutlet sandwich is one of my most favorite sandwiches. The combination of crispy chicken katsu and fluffy bread is just so amazing. At the end of the video, I will talk about how I built a menu with this chicken katsu sandwich, so stay with me till the end. Let's get started. These are what you need to make 2 servings. Chicken breast, panko breadcrumb, half a cup all-purpose flour, some cabbage, salt and pepper, 4 slices of Japanese bread, and tonkatsu sauce. I'm making chicken katsu first. Let's remove the skin. And trim off all the fat. The chicken breast is a little bit too thick to make katsu, so let's halve the thickness. Let's put some salt and pepper on both sides of the chicken. I'm going to bread the chicken. Many people do flour, egg and panko, but I like to use butter instead of flour and egg. That way, panko stays well on the chicken. So let's make the batter. So here, I have about half a cup flour and I'm adding half a cup water. Give it a mix. And batter is ready. Very easy. Let's put the chicken into the batter and bread them. Chicken into the batter. Make sure it's all coated with the butter. Then panko breadcrumb. If you have leftover panko, don't throw it away. Just keep it in the freezer bag and freeze. You can use it when you want to make chicken katsu or tonkatsu next time. I'm heating up some vegetable oil, canola, over medium heat. Let's check the temperature. Drop a little bit of butter into the oil. And if it hits the bottom and comes up immediately, just like it did, this is the right temperature. So let's put the breaded chicken into the oil. And fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Looks good, so let's flip them over. Nice golden color on the other side too, so let's take them out. While I give the chicken a few minutes to rest, I'm going to make some shredded cabbage. Today I'm using this vegetable peeler, but you can use knife or mandolin. This much will do. Now I have everything ready to go, so let's assemble the sandwich. Prepare plastic film big enough to wrap the sandwich. 2 bread and some butter on each bread. You can put a little bit of mustard too if you like. Half of the cabbage. Put some sauce on the chicken katsu. Today I'm using tonkatsu sauce, but any sauce you like. Put the chicken on the cabbage with the sauce side facing down. And some sauce on the other side of the chicken katsu too. Put the bread on top. Wrap it with the plastic film. And let it sit for 10 minutes to settle. Okay, let's cut and see how it looks inside. Remove the plastic film. When we make sandwich, we normally cut the crust off, but you can leave it on if you like, either way you like. So let's cut the crust off. And into half. Chicken Katsu Sandwich is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。It's chicken breast, but it's not dried out at all. Saucy katsu, crispy cabbage, and fluffy bread are perfectly matched. Yum! This is how Japanese standard meal looks like. Rice, soup, main, 2 side dishes. Bread replaces rice and chicken katsu replaces main dish. So let's put the sandwich here and nothing here. For the soup, I would have creamy pumpkin soup. Some sort of pickles for one of the side dish. I'm sorry I don't have video for this one yet. For the other side dish, let's have tuna lettuce salad. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!